Over he is, he's running away.
And then you get to pick the porcelain.
So did Caliber, man. I had a hard time spawning. I bet. Well, Cabal's out.
Get him back up.
I hope it's not lit because he's not running yet.
Yeah. Gotta hope it's not lit. Right.
Can you see it up there?
Yeah, this piece of shoe like 40 for
What?
changes the receiver. Yeah.
No. No.
Nice.
We're gonna blow up a cantaloupe.
Oh, okay.
That's a gun
There it
Don
goes.
gave
Watch.
me.
Watch Matt.
Yeah.
Oh.
He just got it then, Dave. Right? Did you get two?
Don't spill beer, you lose points for that.
There's a piece landing right over here.
Cantaloupe all the way back.
Right over there it landed. Yes.
Nice.
Right here.
Piece of cantaloupe. Smells like gunpowder and fruit.
Fruity gunpowder.
Everybody say hi.
Redneck perfume.
Oh my gosh.
Jada, say hi.
The outhouse.
A piece landed right there where you were standing, too, Chris. A piece landed right in front.